Mercedes-Benz EQG or Gelik was transferred to an electric traction and debuted in Munich. Formerly, this was a concept, but sooner or later you will have this on your road. Their prototype has 4 motors, each placed next to the wheel and is controlled separately. The batteries of the Mercedes-Benz EQG are integrated into the ladder frame, which provides a fairly low center of gravity, and the suspension is as on the original. The main external difference from the production model are the 22-inch wheels, a blank radiator grille with a 3-dimensional logo and a square pattern, as well as legs on the roof rack.